The WHILL Model C2 comes in 3 separate boxes with everything you need to assemble and disassemble the unit. The first box will contain the back wheelbase, battery, and charging cord. In the second box will be the seat in the size it was ordered along with the seat cushion. The Model C2 can be ordered in 3 sizes, 16, 18, and 20 inches. The third box will contain the front wheelbase and the basket. You will find a QR code sticker taped to the seat pan. This will be used to connect the unit to the phone application. Please do not discard, but instead adhere to the seat pan by placing it under the serial number sticker. To begin the assembly, you will first connect the front and back drive base together. This can be done by sliding the metal frame of the front base into the rear base. You will hear a click when connected successfully. Next, attach the basket with a firm push towards the center to click onto the base. Use the view hole in the center of the seat to line up the post. Once on, use the lever under the seat to lock it into place. Next, to adhere the seat cushion to the seat pan, first remove the square Velcro stickers from the bottom of the cushion. They will be placed on the seat pan in the 4 outlined spots like you see here. Next, align the seat cushion Velcro to the Velcro on the seat pan to secure the cushion. Finally, insert the battery by pushing firmly until you hear it click. We suggest fully charging the battery before your first use. The battery can be charged on or off the device, and charging will begin when the charger light flashes green. Once the battery is charged, place it into the chair by pushing it directly into the slot in the rear drive base, and ensure the brake levers underneath the chair are up before powering on. Power on the unit and then select the desired speed setting. Now that the unit is assembled, please watch our other videos on the C2 features and functions, adjustments, and connecting to the phone application.